In this lesson, we will learn about word order in Kazakh, basic sentence structure, and how to form simple sentences. Kazakhs might seem unfamiliar at first, but don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to form basic sentence with confidence. I hope. So, comparison with English. In English, the sentence structure is subject, verb, object. For example, I eat apples. But in Kazakh, the word order is subject, object, and verb. So the same sentence in Kazakh would be men alma jeymin, men alma jeymin. It will be easy because always verb will be in last place. For example, I drink tea. Men çay içerim. Men çay içerim. Men çay içerim. I drink tea. She reads a book. All kitap okuydu. All kitap okuydu. We learn Kazakh. Biz Kazak tilin öğrenemiz. Biz Kazak tilin öğrenemiz. The way they watch TV. Onlar telediдар көреді. Onlar telediдар көреді. Now let's say some sentence together. Try repeating after me. Men çay içerim. Men çay içerim. Yeah. I drink tea. All kitap okuydu. All kitap okuydu. She reads a book. So let's observe personal pronouns in Kazakh. In Kazakh, pronouns are men, I, men, I, sen, you, all, she, it, biz, we, sendir, you, plural form. Sendir, you, plural form. Onlar, they, onlar, they. Let's learn some basic verbs. Жазу, to write. Жазу, to write. Oku, to read. Бару, to go. Көру, to see. To see, көру. To see, to watch. Үйрену, to learn. Үйрену, to learn. So, example sentence with different pronouns. I go to school. Мен мектепке барамын. I go to school. Мен мектепке барамын. You read a book. Sen kitap оқисың. You read a book. Sen kitap оқисың. He writes a letter. Ол хат жазады. Ол хат жазады. Ол хат жазады. We watch a movie. We watch a movie. Biz кино көреміз. Biz кино көреміз. Do you remember? Biz, we. So, now I will say a sentence in English and you try to say it in Kazakh before I reveal the answer. So let's try. She drinks water. Ол su içеді. She drinks water. Ол su içеді. Ол su içеді. They read books. Олар кітап оқиды. Олар they kitap book оқиды. Read. We write letter. Biz xat жазамыз. Biz xat жазамыз. Biz xat жазамыз. So, thank you for attention. And today we learned the basic words order in Kazakh and practice simple sentence with pronouns and verbs. Try to create sentences in Kazakh using today's structure and say them out loud. You can also write them in the comments below, and you can repeat this lesson. So thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next lesson. Қош болыңыздар. Bye bye.